How to fix Pluxee account login not working. If you're having trouble logging into your Pluxee account, don't worry. In today's video, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix this issue, so let's get started. First thing first, double check your login credential. Recheck your email or phone number and ensure caps lock isn't on and the password is typed correctly. If you've forgotten your password, use the forgot password link to reset it. Now, if that is not the case, what you need to do is check network and server status. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is related to your connection. Check if Pluxee is experiencing any server outages. You can visit Pluxee's official social media or support page for updates. For Google Chrome, what you can do is, if you're using a Google Chrome browser, tap on the three dots and simply tap on delete browsing data and simply click on delete data. Restart Chrome and try logging in again. If you are using the Pluxee app, what you can do is simply make sure it is updated to the latest version. Simply Google Play Store and simply search for Pluxee. Now, if there's an update available, simply update it to the latest version. Also, if you are using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily. Open your settings app, search for VPN, and if VPN is connected, simply turn that off. And once it's turned off, simply try logging in again. And if none of the above steps work, you can simply contact Pluxee support. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions help you fix the Pluxee login issue.